Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video we're gonna learn how to use the stretch command right here. Now as usual, there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking on the icon of the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view the tool palettes, then click on modify, and you can find it right here, or you can just simply type into the screen as we learned in the last video. Now I'm gonna go back to home, then close this palette. Then by clicking on the icon, he's gonna ask you to select the objects. Now the idea of this command, the stretch command, is simply stretching a part of the object at distance you want. Now by selecting, I'm gonna select this part by clicking the left button of the mouse, then select the part of the object that I want. Then pressing enter. Then he's gonna ask you to select or type the distance that you want. I'm gonna select it and drag the cursor on the screen, and as you see, I can just adjust on the object that I selected, just like that. As you see, I'm gonna stretch it this distance. Now also see, I stretched this object or a part of this object at distance like that. That was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.